ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचातत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very warm welcome. Yesterday we saw up to the Chaupais of the 183rd verse. Now we will continue with the Chanda. जप जोग बिहारा तप मुख भागा श्रवण सुनई दस सीसा आपुन उठि दावई रहे न पावई धरि सबद्घालई खीसा अस भ्रष्ट आचारा भा संसारा धर्म सुनिय नहीं काना तेहि बहु विधि त्रासई देश निकासई जो कह वेद पुराना. Even if Ravana listens to the information about the talk of japa, yoga, vairagya, tapa, and yaga, yajna, yagadi karma, even if the news enters his ears, apanothidavi, he himself would get up immediately, take all his astra, shastra, etc. and run to stop them. And he would not allow, nahi pavai, he will not allow anything to happen of such kind, meaning all dharmic activities he would stop and destroy everything. Why destroy? They should not again start. Therefore, destroy everything. Asa bhrashta achara bha samsara. Bhrashta achara meaning there was absolute corruption. Corruption meaning what? There was nothing that was happening proper. Bha samsara. There was no nobility in the life in people. Dharma suniya nahi kana. He just does not want to listen to anything related to dharma, anywhere in that world. Tehi bahubidhi trasai desa nikasai jo kaha veda purana. Whoever recited Vedas or Puranas, he immediately made sure that they are troubled or killed. That was the way Ravana lived his life. That only shows what an amount of negativity is there in his, mind. Barani na jai aniti घोर निसाचर जो करई हिंसा पर अति प्रीति तिनके पाप ही कवनिमिति. All those wrongdoings, scandals, killing, troubling, bringing pain to others by all the demons, they were all, Tulsidas says, Bharani na jai. It cannot be described, indescribable. It cannot be put into words or language. Himsa, para ati priti. They had great love to trouble others. They not very difficult. We have people all around us also, so we can understand. If our own human being, our own people are bent upon troubling, what to talk of the demons. And therefore, they were not only troubling, they were into so much of violence, so much of pain and suffering to the entire world. Tulsidasi continues, बाढ़े खल बहु चोर जुआरा जेलम पट पर धन पर दारा माँ नहीं मातु पिता नहीं देवा साधु न सन करवा वही सेवा जिनके यह आचरण भवानी ते जाने हूँ निशिचर सब प्राणी अतिशय देखी धर्म कै ग्लानि परम सभीत धरा अकुलानि गिरि सरि सिंधु बार नहीं माही जस मोहि गुरुव एक पर रोही सकल धर्म दे कही विपरीता कही न सकई रावण भय भीता धेनुरूपधरि हृदय बिचारी, गई तहाँ जह सुर मुनि झारी, निज संताप सुनाई सिरोई, काहू ते कछु काजन होई। सुर मुनि गंधर्वा मिलिकर सर्वा, गे बिरंचि के लोका, संग गोतनुधारी भूमि बिचारी, परम बिकल भय शोका। ब्रह्मा सब जाना मन अनुमाना, मोर कछु न बसाई, जा करि तै दासी सो अविनाशी, हमरे वो तोर सहाई। धरणी धरहि मन धीर, कह बिरंचि हरि पद सुमिर, जानत जन की पीर, प्रभु बंजहि दारुण विपति। बाढ़े खेल बहु चोर उजारा, maximum, in fact all of them only, but then Badhe, a number of villains, thieves, gamblers, Je Lampata Paradhana Paradara, they all went and snatched away everybody's Paradhana, everybody's wealth. And not only that, Paradara, they even went and intimidated all the women of the Suras. They even snatched away and took the wives of all the gods. Ma nahi matu pita nahi deva. In fact, people had so many love and affection to their parents, Pita, Matu, Deva, everything. Sadhuna sanakara bhavahi seva. And they extracted lot of work from all of them, elderly people. And then even all the Devas also, Sadhus also they never left. They never spared. They made them do all heavy work. Jinke yah acharana bhavani. Now, please note, Shivaji is speaking to Bhavani, Gauri. He says, those who act in this way, without any heart, without any mind, without any courtesy, te janehu nisichara sab prani. No, all such people are nisichara or pranis. They all are demons or animals. Animals, of course, swabhavika, they go and they kill other smaller animals and eat them up. They have no, courtesy, mercy, etc. Similarly, these demons, in fact, he says, those who act mercilessly without any care or love, they are only demons. It is one line which also indicates people here now in this world who have no courtesy, who have no mercy, who have no love for others, who don't care for others, they are called as Rakshasas only. So, such people are nothing but a sample of these Rakshasas. Atisaya dheki dharma kai glani. Seeing that supreme disrespect for dharma, for all the righteousness, paramasabhita dara kulani. Bhumi Mata, Dharti Mata was very disturbed. She was very alarmed. She was pained, perturbed. Giri sari sindhu bara nahi mahi. The weight of Giri, mountains, Sindhu, ocean, river, etc. have become very heavy on them because of these people's descent. And then she said to herself, Jasamohi Guru Eka Bararohi. It is absolutely not very, bearable. It is so painful, and they are all so evil-minded. Therefore, Sakala Dharma Dekhai Viparita. She saw there is no goodness at all, and Viparita, only very perverted people were there. Kahina Sakai Ravana Bhayabita. But then she cannot express why she was afraid of Ravana. Now Ravana has become the sovereign master of the entire world. Therefore, even Bhumi Devi was very scared of Ravana. Dhenu Rupadhari Hridaya Bichari. She thought for a long time. Hridaya Bichari. She wondered what can be done. She was trying to bring out a plan of action. Dhenu Rupadhari. She took the form of a cow. Gaitaha Jahasura Munijhari. Wherever all these gods were, hiding themselves into the caves, etc., she went there. Nija Santapa Sunai Sirohi Roi. She expressed to them the amount of pain she is undergoing, and she started crying. Kahu te kachuka jana hoi. But none of them could do anything because everyone were afraid of Ravana. So they could not help her. Sura Muni Gandharva. Sura, gods. Muni, sage. Gandharva, Mili. All of them came together. They somehow managed to get together and sat down for a meeting for one Devata's meeting, we may say. And then Saba Milikara Sarba Ge Biranchike Loka. All of them went to Brahma Loka. Sang Gotanudhari Bhumi Bichari Parama Bikala Bhaya Soka. Mata Bhumi, who is in the form of cow, she was so, grief-struck, fearful, etc. She said, Brahma sabjana mana anumana mora kachuna basai. Brahma, she said everything to Brahmaji, but Brahmaji said, I know everything. And he also could feel the pain in her heart. Realizing that her heart was so heavy and inability to help her, what did he suggest? He said, Jakarite dasi so abhinasi hamare utora sahai. He said, the immortal Lord Vishnu, whose servant you are, O Bhumi Mata, will be able to help you. He alone will be able to help all of us. Dharani darai manadhira. He said, please have patience. Dharani dharahi. Have patience. Kaha biranche hari pada sumiri. He took the name of the Lord, remembered Bhagavan Vishnu, and then he said, be calm. Fix your mind on Sri Hari. Janataka janaki Prita Prabhu. Bhagavan, Prabhu Vishnu, he knows everything. He knows all our distress. But why is he waiting? Actually, we all know. Bhagavan knows what to do when. Sarvajnaha Bhagavan, isn't it? Bhanjihi daruna bipati. He says, he will put an end to all our trouble and suffering. Don't worry. Keep him in your heart. It was not only to Bhumi Devi, it was also to all the other gods and even human beings, saints and sages. He said, be calm. He will take care. Baithe sura sab karahi bichara कह पाइय प्रभु करिय पुकारा, पुर बैकुंठ जान कह कोई, को कह पय निधि बस प्रभु सोई, जाके हृदय भगति जसी प्रीति, प्रभुतः प्रगट सदा तेहि रीति, तेहि समाज गिरिजा में रहेऊ, अवसर पाई बचन एक कहेऊ, हरि व्यापक सर्वत्र समाना, प्रेम ते प्रगति हो ही मैं जाना, देश काल दिशि विदिशि हूँ माही, कहूँ सो कहाँ जहाँ प्रभु नाही, अग जगमय सब रहित बिरागी, प्रेम ते प्रभु प्रगटई निमि आगी, मोर अचन सब के मन माना, साधु साधु कर ब्रह्म बखाना, सुनि बिरंचि मन हर्ष तन, पुलकी नयन बहनीर, अस्तुति करत जोरि कर, सावधान मति धीर, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। बैठे सुर सब करहि बिचारा, all the gods sat down for the meeting, as we said earlier. कह पाइय प्रभु करिय पुकारा, where can we find him? How will we appeal to him? How are we going to express our problems to Bhagavan, Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Hari? All that they discussed in that meeting. Pura Vaikuntha jana kah koi. Then one of them suggested, all that we have understood now. Now, how are we going to go? Shall we have to reach Vaikuntha? को कह पय निधि बस प्रभु सोई. And one said, yes, we have to go to Vaikuntha, and Bhagavan is staying in the Kshira Sagara on Seshanaga. Therefore, we have to go there. Jake hridaya bhagati jasi preeti. And Bhagavan प्रभुतः प्रगट सदा तेहि रीति. Sada tehi riti meaning whenever the devotees out of deep sense of confidence in them, when they think of Bhagavan, sada tehi riti, Bhagavan immediately helps them. And therefore, tahi pragata, Bhagavan gave them darshan. And in response to the devotion and all the love they have, Bhagavan was so happy. Tehi samaj girija mein rahu. Now again, Shivaji is talking to Parvati, the Katha. Girija, Parvati, I too happen to be there at that particular assembly of gods with Bhagavan Vishnu. Avasar pai bachana ek kahevu. And I also waited for them to speak about their pain and suffering. And when an occasion came up, at that time, at that avasara, ek bachana kahevu, I also spoke to Sri Hari. Hari vyapaka sarvatra samana. Because Hari is sarvatra. He is present everywhere. Therefore, prem te bhagata hoi main jana. He will very clearly come to the solace of all our people who are the devotees of Bhagavan. Therefore, he reveals only by love. He reveals only by nishtha. He reveals only by bhakti, devotion, dedication. He will not reveal himself unless we have all these qualities. Remember, Desa kala disi bidisi humahi. Desa, place, kala, time, of the heaven, kahau so kaha jaha prabhu nahi. My dear Parvati, tell me where he is not, in which place he is not, at which time he is not available, in which disha, in which direction that he is not available. He is available everywhere. Jaha taha. He is available. Aga jagamaya sabha rahita biragi. He himself is nothing but all the creation in the world. In the Taittiriya Upanishad it is said, Tat srishtva tadeva anupravishat tad anupravishya satchatyacha bhavat niruktancha niruktancha nilayanancha nilayanancha. Like that, the entire description is given where Bhagavan tat srishtva, having created the entire, in fact, creation, tad eva anupravishat, he himself entered into them as the very, source and as the very life principle, and then became satchatyacha bhavat. Sat and asat, everything he alone is. Jagamaya sabarahita biragi. He is in everything, at the same time completely dispassionate. He has no passion towards anything. He is a creator. And naturally, when he is the one who is in everything, where is the question of passion? He has already acquired everything. In fact, there is nothing called acquired everything. He is the cause of everything. Premate Prabhu pragatainimi agi. And then, when he revealed to everybody, Mora achana sabake manamana. Mora bachana, my words, sabke manamana. Please, Bhagavan, my words, actually his words helped all the devatas. Why? When somebody is taking the lead, an appropriate person who takes the lead and communicates properly, it naturally helps all other people. Sadhu sadhu kara brahma bakhana. Sadhu, sadhu, well said, well said. Now see, communication is a very important factor. When the communication is articulated with appropriate choice of words, then the understanding will also be appropriate. Very many times we feel even within a family, the communication is not appropriate. What the father wants to communicate to the mother understands it in the way which she wants to understand. And vice versa. Think. Therefore, many times what happens, we don't understand others rather from their standpoint. And therefore, we normally misunderstand. And along with that, we definitely add the power of our ego. When the power of our ego becomes primordial in that relationships, then there will always be difference of opinion and there will always be fight, misunderstanding, aversion, friction, etc. Therefore, communication is very, very important. Pulakinaya bara ni bahanira. You know the way the communication was made to Bhagavan, it was so, people would get horripilated. And even Brahmaji, his eyes was filled with tears because of the pain all of them were undergoing. Astuti karata jori kara. Astuti Karata. Brahmaji himself folded his palms and he prayed to Bhagavan. Jori kara savadhanamati dhira. He was so filled with emotion, caught by emotion. Therefore, there was so much of horripilation, so much of tears coming out. Emotion, completely overpowered. Therefore, after some time, he regained his stability, and with the stable mind, with the hands folded, he started saying this. Now, this portion is called Brahmastuti, the glory about Bhagavan chanted by Brahmaji. Brahmastuti on Bhagavan. Now see. जय जय अविनाशी सबगत बासी व्यापक परमानंद अभिगत गोतीतं चरित पुनीतं माया रहित मुकुंद जेहि लागी बिरागी अति अनुरागी विगत मोह मुनि वृंदा निसि बासर ध्यावहि गुण गण गावहि जयति सच्चिदानंदा जेहि सृष्टि उपायी त्रिविध बनाई संग सहायन दूजा सो करु अघारी चिंत हमारी जानिय भगति न पूजा जो भव भय भंजन मुनि मनरंजन गंजन विपति बरूथा मन बच क्रम बानी छाड़ी सयानी सरन सकल सुर झूठा सारद श्रुति शेषा ऋषय अशेषा जा कहूँ को नहीं जाना जेहि दीन पियारे वेद पुकारे द्रववु सो श्री भगवाना भव बारिधि मंदर सब विधि सुंदर गुण मंदिर सुख पुंजा मुनि सिद्ध सकल सुर परम भयातुर नमत नाथ पद कंजा जानि सभय सुर भूमि सुनी बचन समेत सनेह गगन गिरा गंभीर बई हरनि शोक संदेह सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भय सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय 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 सुरनायक जय. What does it mean? Glory to Bhagavan. Glorification is a very important factor in a sadhaka. To glorify is to accept the supremacy of Bhagavan and become humble, simple at his feet. Therefore, Jaya Jaya Suranayaka, O Bhagavan, you are the Lord of Suras, the immortals. Jana Sukhadayaka, the one who brings delight to all your devotees. And Pranatapala Bhagavanta, you are the one who protects the one who have surrendered unto your feet. Godvijahitakari Jaya Surai, the one who is the protector, benefactor of Go, cows, Dvija, Brahmanas, Hitakari, and Asurari Jaya, the one who is a slayer, who is the one who defeats the Asuras, kills the Asuras. Sindhu Suta Priyakanta. Along with Sindhu Suta Priyakanta, one who lives in the middle of ocean, along with your consort Lakshmi. O Bhagavan Vishnu, glory to you. Palana Suradharani. Palana, the one who is protected, who protects, who guards. You are the guardian of Dharani, the earth. Adbhutakarani, who makes it so, you have made it so mysterious, not very easily understandable your ways. Maraman na janai, that talent with which you have created this entire world, ko na janai, nobody can understand. Jo sahaja kripala, the one who is a compassionate Lord by the very nature. Deena Dayala, the protector of the suppressed. Karavo Anugraha Soyi, please bless us. Please show us the way. Jaya Jaya Abhinasi, Avinashi, the one who is immortal, the one who can never perish. Avinashi. Sabagata Basi, the one who resides in everybody's hearts. Nivasi. Gatavasi here means, Gata means the heart. The one who lives in everybody's heart. Antaryami, another word which we know very generally, we know that. Vyapaka Paramananda, the one who is all pervading and who is the very nature of bliss, joy. Abhigata Gotitam Charita Punitam, the one who is omnipresent and knowledgeable, highly knowledgeable, and who is unknowable. Meaning what? The one who cannot be understood by the limitations of Sharira Mana Buddhi. Even intelligence cannot grasp him to the ultimate. Intelligence can only give us a direction from the whims and fancies towards the Lord. But one has to gain the Lord going beyond that intelligence. Who is otherwise Gotitam, Gochara Atitam, Charita Punitam. Charita Punitam, the one who purifies, and the one who is, there is a very interesting, super sensuous, meaning what? He is that very heart throb. He understands. He only makes everything possible. Maya Rahita Mukunda, who is beyond Maya. It is with his own Maya Shakti the entire creation is created, but he is beyond Maya. Maya cannot affect Bhagavan, but Bhagavan with his Maya has created the entire world. Jehilagi Biragi Ati Anuragi Bigata Moha Muni Brinda. What a beautiful this one. The one who is sought after, by whom multitudes of sages with ultimate dispassion towards the pleasures of the world, but who are looking forward to achieving him entirely. And to such people, Moha Muni Brinda, he completely, that word Vigata is very important. Vigata Moha Muni Brinda, without any delusion, all the Muni Vrindaha, the groups of sages and saints, they are devoid of infatuation, devoid of delusion. They are all the people who look towards you, look up towards you. Nisibasara dhyavahi gunagana gavahi jayati satchidananda. All of them, dhyavahi means they meditate upon you. Nisibasara, day and night, 24/7, they meditate upon you. Gunagana gavahi, they always sing your glory. Jayati Satchidananda, how? Glory to that Sat Chit Ananda Swarupaha, Bhagavan Hari. He is the truth, Sat, consciousness, Chit, and Ananda Swarupa, bliss. Jehi Srishti Upai Tribidhana Banai, the one who has brought forth the entire creation. And Trividhana, what is that Trividhana? The one which is dominated by Trividhana, Sattva, Rajas and Tamoguna. In the entire world, the gunas play a vital role, and he has given it to us with these three gunas for us to evolve. For the human beings to evolve and understand him to the ultimate. And this slayer of sin, Agha, Agha means sin, the one who is the slayer of sin and who bestows his care upon all his devotees. Sokaru aghari chinta hamari. And he says, if he cannot help us, who else can help? Therefore, Bhagavan, please protect us. Why? We are coming with devotion and helplessness. And it is only to that person who has complete devotion and who has gone into that state of helplessness does Bhagavan come. The one who comes with ego can never achieve Bhagavan. Therefore, you are the one who bestows all kinds of blessings to the one who surrenders unto you. Jo bhava bhaya bhanjana, the one who removes the samsara bhava, the remover of samsara. Muni mana ranjana, the one who is a delight in the heart of all the saints and sages. Bipati baruta, the one who removes all the host of calamities and bring joy to everyone. Mana bacha krama bani chadi sayani sarana sakala surajuta, the one who comes with thought, word and deed, and then what? Renouncing all the wants. Meaning what? The one who comes with vairagyam, dispassion. Not big, some people, they have lot of cleverness in them. That cleverness should not be there. Cunningness should not be there. Must be humble, simple, innocence. The one who come to Bhagavan, he protects. Surajuta. Sarada Shruti Sesha Rishaya Asesha Jakahu Kovu Nahi Jana. See, what a beautiful sentence. He says, if you don't understand the sentence properly, it can be royally misunderstood. Sharada, the goddess of knowledge, Vedas, nor again the Sesha, Sesha Shayana, Adi Sesha, or any of the sages. None of them can get him so easily. Jehi Dina Piyare Beda Pukare Drau Soshi Bhagavanta, the one who surrenders unto him. And who is he? The one who has been proclaimed by the Vedas. He, that supreme being, not easily available, but the one who takes the help of the Vedas and chant and turn towards him and him alone, without the whims and fancies of the world, without any kind of ego and egocentric desires. To such people, Shri Bhagavana, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu will definitely come. Bhavabaridhi mandara sababidhi sundara guna mandira sukhapunja. He says, Mandara, Mandara means Mount Mandara. Bhavaridhi, by churning of that with that Mandara Parvata, that Amrita came out. We all know the story. And then with that Amrita, Sukha Punja, he is the one who gave joy, immortal joy to all the Devatas. And then he says, charming Guna Mandira, he is the abode of all gunas. Muni Siddha Sakala Sura Parama Bayatura Namata Nathapada Kanja. All the sages and siddhas endowed with lot of powers and all tapashakti, everything, all the gods who were actually struck by grief, now bow down to the Lord, at the feet of the Lord, and asked for support, help, relief. Jani sabhaya sura bhumi suni. Bhagavan Vishnu, knowing that the gods and Bhumi Mata were completely terror struck by Ravana, Bachana Sameta Saneha, listening to their words, which is filled with sneha, which is filled with love, which is filled with devotion. Gaganagira Gambhira Bai Harani Soka Sandeha. Now, Bhagavan spoke through Asharira Vani all that what is going to come up, and that brought so much of solace and Harani Soka Sandeha. It removed all the shokas, all the sandeha, what the Devatas had, it removed everything. But what did he say that all of them became happy? We will see tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.